Hello everybody! Ay, naglag. Again. Tan. Hello everybody! Today we're going to do all the sounds of the animals. Tantan will make the sound of the animals. When I ask what the sound of the animal, you will tell me the sound. Okay, Tantan? Okay, go. What's the sound of the duck? What's the sound of the duck? What's the sound of the dog? The sound of the dog. What's the sound of the sheep? Puro naman gagaga. Hello, ko naman gagaga. It's not gagaga. Okay, again. What's the sound of the sheep? What's the sound of the monkey? What's the sound of the horse? Gagaga. One, two, three. What's the sound of the dog? What's the sound of the cat? Pareho lang naman yun eh. Okay. What's the sound of the horse? Pare-pareho naman. What's the sound of the horse? Okay. What's the sound of the sheep? Ay, pare-pareho lang. It's not Nalala ko mga Tantan eh. Okay. What's the sound of the horse? That's not the horse. That's a monkey. Okay, nay, correct. What's the sound of the duck? What's the sound of the duck? What's the sound of the fish? Huh? Cow. Ay, kita pampers! Kita pampers? Huh? Kitang pampers? Gigil. Make gigil face in the video. Make gigil face. Airplane. Put it on airplane. Oh, can you hug that? Hug that and kiss it a bit. Hug and kiss. Hug and gigil. 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 Aww. No, Daddy's tired. No, masira. Kulit. Watch now our video. Let's watch right now.